challenge everything and always aim to do something better today than you did yesterday. With regards to Sony products, we're the only manufacturers sort of outside Asia. If we don't just manufacture Sony products, we're now a contract manufacturing partner. So the likes of Raspberry Pi, we come up with a completely unique way of manufacturing products using the likes of Industry 4.0 and AI. And this is what allows us to be able to be competitive in this industry right here, right now. Like everything else in this aspect of industry, stand still. The whole industry, the whole world pass you by very quickly. You've got to be innovative. Changing the aspects of how we manufacture using Industry 4.0, where we're using robotics, automation within our process to take away the non-value add part of our manufacturing sector. Those are key with us, how we can drive down that cost-effective factor of manufacturing in the UK. One of the key aspects for us is getting people ready for that change. So one thing that we do is production innovation. So everybody with the entire factory takes part into changing one aspect of their job or production process every year. Therefore, everybody's used to change. You've got to drive that innovation. You've got to find what those fundamental problems are and solve them. And that's how we drive innovation forward.